Hello my dear KCET champions, how are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. This is your Ekta ma'am here. So my dear students, most of you have doubt about can I still enroll in the KC30 crash course? Yes, as the crash course started on 21st of March. Yes, it started 2 days ago. Today is 23 of March. Okay, yes. So many of you had doubts, can I still enroll in the KC30? So my dear students, worry not, you can still enroll in the KC30 crash course. Yes, the start date is 21st March. On 21st March, you had the orientation, and from 24th of March, which is from tomorrow, you will be having your live classes. Yes, your live classes are scheduled from 24th of March. So yes, today if you are watching it, this is 23rd of March, you can have access to all the recorded lectures that have been covered till now, that are there from 23 and 24. Okay, from 21, 22 and 23. Okay, on 21st we had orientation, 22nd and 23rd we covered some lectures, right? Those lectures you will have access to, and if you join now, my dear students, we have a whole month for our KCET preparation. Now just a recap, what are we getting in the KC30 crash course? 30-day live online classes. Yes, KCET PYQs with solution, complete syllabus revision for PU1 and for PU2. Okay, chapter wise KCET PYQs, yes, and 10 full length mock test. Yes, my dear students, you will be getting 10 full length mock test with your KC30 batch. What are the timings? From 8 AM to 7 PM. Yes, your lives are starting from tomorrow, from 24th of March. So you can still enroll. Yes, whatever has been covered in the last 2 days, you can just watch it. Yes, and my dear students, there will be doubt solving classes for all my KC30 champions. Yes, you will have doubt solving classes, one-to-one interaction. You can say yes, we'll solve all your doubts. Whatever doubt you have, come ready with that. And yes, these are few testimonials of the students who actually got enrolled and scored really good ranks from this KC30 batch from ABHYAS test series. Okay, my dear students, and now one more thing, what will be the price for this batch? The price is 2499 for the this batch. The price will not go up, will not go down. This is the fixed price. Okay, it won't change, it won't buzz. Okay, yeah, so if you want to enroll as soon as possible. Yes, if you are watching it today, you can still enroll. Even if you're watching it 2 days later, you can still enroll because we have time now. Okay, so do not waste it, do not procrastinate, just focus on yourself and work hard. Okay, you got this. And yes, one more thing actually, many of the students who have are having some logging issues, they're having some issues related to app, lots of comments are there. So to address them, this is the mail ID that you should write: askedutube@deekshalearning.com. okay, now my students who have purchased the course, you can do one thing, you can mail using this website, you can mail whatever query you have in the working hours. Okay, the tech team work in the working hours. Okay, on Monday to Saturday they will be there to listen to your query during the working hours, which is from normal working hours 9 AM to 6 PM. Okay, so any query you have, you send it to this mail ID, askedutube@deekshalearning.com. okay, yes. And my dear champs, are you ready to secure top 1000 rank in KCET 2026? If you are, come to our classes actually. I'll see you there. Take care. Bye.